Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make praline sauce. Start by toasting pecans until fragrant, then melt brown sugar and butter together until bubbly and thick. Stir in cream slowly to create a smooth, glossy sauce, then fold in toasted pecans and finish with a pinch of salt. Cool slightly before serving over ice cream, pancakes, or cake for a decadent, crunchy topping that stores well in the fridge. Gather ingredients: brown sugar, unsalted butter, heavy cream, toasted pecans, salt, and vanilla. Toast pecans in a dry pan until fragrant, then set them aside. Melt butter and sugar together over medium heat, stirring until the mixture bubbles and thickens, then reduce heat and slowly whisk in cream. Add vanilla and salt, fold in pecans, and simmer briefly until glossy. Let the sauce cool a bit before serving to thicken. Begin by melting butter and brown sugar over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent burning. When the sugar dissolves and the mixture bubbles, lower the heat and add cream slowly while whisking to maintain a smooth texture. Stir in vanilla and salt, then remove from heat and fold in toasted pecans to preserve their crunch. Allow the sauce to cool slightly so it thickens, then drizzle over desserts and enjoy the contrasting textures and warm caramel note.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.